This week, we're going to be talking about the words belief and faith in the workplace and how you can use them to really build teams. So you might be thinking, how or why do we use those words belief and faith in the workplace? Well, words that we're more familiar with that we use in the workplace quite a bit are words like trust and confidence. And the reason why these words like trust and confidence are so important in the workplace is because those words and trying to develop those things are what makes a team cohesive. It's what makes a team powerful, strong, able to accomplish quite a bit. You cannot collaborate properly, effectively, unless you have trust and confidence within your team members. And a leader is not effective unless they have the trust and confidence of those who they are leading. So trust and confidence, those are words that we use in the workplace. And those are traits or qualities that we really try to develop, not just leaders, but even amongst a team. You want to try and develop that trust and confidence between each of the team members. So where does faith and belief come in? Well, it's interesting that the word faith is very similar to trust and confidence. So for example, if I'm your lead and I say, look it, I'm going to give you this responsibility. I want you to go ahead and head this project. I have faith in you. That's very similar to saying, I have confidence in you, right? I trust that you'll get this done. Those are all great words, and those are words that allow people to feel that they are valued. And there's something about when someone trusts you that makes you in turn trust them, right? And again, we're just talking about team building, being able to collaborate. So now just see if you can feel the difference. Say if I'm talking to you and I say, yeah, I trust you to do this project. Or I have confidence that you'll do this project and you'll do a fine job. I have faith that you'll get it done. Now see if you feel the difference with this word. I believe in you. Does that feel differently? The point is that the word belief has a psychological effect on people that is different from those other words like trust and confidence and faith. Because when you believe in someone, it always has to do with something that perhaps has not been proven yet. And there's a lot of times when people, especially team members, if you're a lead, there are times when team members haven't been able to show everything they can do. But when you say, I believe in you, you're saying, you might not have shown me everything, but based on what I've seen, I know you've got more. And so it's something that can really develop that cohesiveness within a team when you as the leader are able to tell people or the team, but also individuals, I believe in you. That's such a strong, powerful tool. Now, a lot of times we use this particular concept when we're teaching leadership, but use it and develop this kind of thinking, even if you're not a leader. If you're a team member, make sure you're able to tell your team members or even your manager, I believe in you. Have that mentality, that type of attitude. There's nothing that ruins a team more than the opposite. The opposite of belief, trust, and confidence is doubt and being critical. And that will kill a team, that will kill a project. So again, it's just a small tweak. Go ahead and use that word, trust. I trust the team will do well. Confidence, I have faith in you. But keep in the back of your mind that when you really need to motivate the team, when you really want to motivate an individual, and you really feel that they have the potential, then tell them the words, I believe in you. Here's your metacognitive assignment for this week. Choose 3 people and make sure one of them is in your family, and tell them that you believe in them and see how they react. Also, try and think about a time when someone showed or said that they believed in you. How did it make you feel? Hopefully this made sense. Make sure to like or subscribe, and we'll see you next time.